Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO A77, and now I'm gonna show you how to enable caller ID announcement. So to do it, firstly you need to open phone application. You will have the keyboard open, so click back button to close the keyboard. Click on the three dots buttons right corner of your screen and click settings. Then scroll down, find here caller ID announcement, announce caller ID, and choose always or only when using the headset. I suggest choose only when using the headset mode, of course, but you need to decide which is the best setting for you. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.